Hey, what's up, party people? So today we're going to be installing side skirts from American Modified. Alright, so let's get to it. So basically in the box, you get the side skirts themselves, some 3M tape and some promoter and some screws. These side skirts look really beautiful, as you guys can tell. Can't wait to put them on. So the first thing we're going to do is apply some 3M tape to the side skirt. Then we're going to go ahead and line the side skirt to the side panel. This is a lot easier with two people, so if you have somebody that can help you, that is awesome. But what I like about the side skirt is that it's a one piece and it's not a two piece like some of the other ones on the market. And now we're just going to go ahead and screw in the screws that were provided to the bottom plastic piece. Damn, it looks amazing. So, I really like this look. Thank you again, American Modified, for this awesome product.